Hello there, I'm Jason from Michigan in VR, and today I wanted to show you how to use the YouTube app on the Quest 2, 3, and 3S to watch videos on the Michigan in VR YouTube channel. So, it's really easy. With hand tracking enabled, which is how I like to do it, things are a lot simpler, a lot more natural. See, if you lift your hand here, you can see your hand and a little pointer that points at this screen here in front of you. And if you then click on the play button by clicking your fingers together, boom, like yay, the video begins to play. Oops. Some volume, but not a lot. I need to be able to talk to you guys. So, I wanted to show you that I'm using a Quest 2. So, I can only get apparently up to the 4K available on these videos today with this headset. However, as you can see, 4K is it's pretty. It's pretty out here. There are nice things to look at, and it's like I'm standing on the beach. Really, quite a lot like I'm standing here on the beach, and it's very beautiful. And if I turn the audio up, I can hear the waves lapping around me. It's calm and it's soothing. I can hear the sounds of families that play. Those guys are playing frisbee over there. Man, I want to play frisbee. Oh, well, that's good. It's sunny outside today. Right now, it's very, very cold. Now, listen. All right, now sometimes you're stuck in a chair, a stationary spot, so you can't really move the screen around. But if you take your little pointer here and you pinch, you can move the scene to your liking, so that you can have what you want focused in your main sight of view, main line of view. So I hope that was helpful, guys. This is Michigan in VR. I'm your host, Jason, and I hope I can bring you guys some more informative little videos like this. Have a good day.